There is a part of Hermosa Beach that still feels like a local secret. I like to call it the South Hermosa sweet spot. Here at 127 Manhattan Avenue, it's super peaceful. The street doesn't go through to 190th, so it's very neighborhoody and a lot less touristy than neighborhoods closer to the pier. Also, you're just 2 blocks to the beach. You can literally walk and bike everywhere from here without climbing any hills. The interior of this home has been completely remodeled. It has a lot of windows, lofted ceilings, skylights, so it's super sunny. The other thing that's interesting is it's completely detached. It's really hard to get that this close to the beach for under $3 million. So it lives just like a single family residence, yet you're just 2 blocks to the beach. And the kitchen's been fully remodeled too. It features white shaker cabinets, really pretty quartz counters, and an ocean-inspired backsplash to carry out that ocean theme in the home. And if you need a home office, or even 2, this home has 2 really great spaces. This one here on the 2nd level, which looks up to all the vaulted ceilings, which is really pretty. And then there's another downstairs. It's a 3rd bedroom that can double as a private home office. And on the bottom floor, there's a 3rd bedroom that could double as a home office. It's completely separate. It has sliding doors to cordon it off from the rest of the house. And it also leads out to the yard. If you're a beach and water sports enthusiast, you'll love this location. Just to the south is the Redondo Pier and King Harbor. There you'll find lots of great restaurants and the Bay Club Fitness Center, which has one of the area's only waterfront pools. It's outdoor and it's gorgeous. Straight to the west, there's a vibrant beach scene. There are volleyball courts at 2nd Street. There's a great surf spot at the Wall. And of course, along the Strand, it's an iconic place to bike and walk. Just enjoy the outdoors. And to the north, you'll find the Hermosa Pier and Pier Plaza. You're also just around the corner from the local neighborhood restaurants at 2nd Street and Hermosa Avenue. There's Proudly Serving, Bolt, Yellow Vase, which is super popular with bicyclists, and Mickey's Deli, that is a neighborhood tradition. For more details about the property, please check out the website 127manhattan.com. Thanks for watching.